viewers, welcome to the channel Profile Plus. This is Padma. Do like, share and subscribe the channel to know more about communication and personality development. And we also update a lot of videos during this corona situations. Do not forget to press the bell icon. So let's get into today's topic. My topic for today is don't waste your time. Okay, see, your first question might be like, ma'am, already we are in pandemic and we are completely in a lockdown situation. How can we just, utilize our time fruitful for the whole day? See, many has this question in their mind. But my dear friends, I wanted to tell you a lot of stories today in order to realize how this idle mind becomes a devil's workshop. See, we all know this generally. Whenever we sit idle, our mind obviously goes to a negative thoughts. Normally, we don't spend the time which we are wasting in a productive way. Example, I'll tell you an example, okay? So, there is a small toddler at home. So, he doesn't have any commitments basically, okay? So, he doesn't have to go to school and he's still at home. And when there are parents, when there are people, elders at home who are very busy doing their own work, how would this toddlers behave? When they are engaged by an adult, by playing games, or you give them something very, you just engage them seeing something outside, you take them outside or you take them for a drive, all that, he'll just behave very cool, isn't it? But what happens when you just leave the toddler just like that idle when all others in the family are busy? Obviously he mess up things, isn't it? So the same kind of an example you can take it for the retired persons at home. Those who are retired, okay, when they don't have any busy work in their day-to-day schedule. Remember, just mark my words, there is a statistics who says people who are retired after a certain age and when they have no busy work doing, they cannot live for a long time. Okay, that is because when they are completely idle, they become more negative. When they have nothing to do busy, obviously they absorb a lot of negativity from outside and they feel physically ill and mentally ill. That is when many families, they complain about the senior citizens. They simply say that they keep complaining on the food and they just keep chattering like a chatterbox. They keep talking about something unnecessary for you and they also busy doing gossiping and stuff. Okay, why are they doing like that? They are doing all such things because they are having an idle mind. They have nothing to do busy. There is one more story which was very impressive. I would like to share it with you today. See, once there was a man who was really struggling to do all his work on his own. So he has got a chance to meet the God, okay, the Almighty. So the God actually granted him a wish. You can ask me whatever you want. And this man, he just thought for a moment and asked the God, I want somebody to do all my work. And he should be really efficient, okay, and brilliant and has a very big strength, okay. So the God granted his wish and sent him a jinn. You all know what is genie, okay, right? So the jinn, he just presented him a jinn saying that from now, whatever the work you wanted to do for your life, he'll do it for you, okay. So any work you give, he is efficient, he is really strong and you can get your work done by him. Okay, but on one condition. Whenever you just, you have no work to give him, that minute the genie will kill you. You should always engage him by giving him some work. This is what the God's condition was. Okay, then the man said like, I have hell a lot of work. This whole life may not be enough for me to complete it. So obviously I'll have a lot of work to give him. So he just took the jinn very happily home. Okay, the very first work what he gave the jinn was, he just instructed the jinn, just go to this 1,000-acre land and just clean it, because the next month I'm going to just sow seeds and start my agricultural work. Okay, just go clean this 1,000 acres of land. Okay, for his surprise, within an hour's time, the jinn came back and said that, I have completed all my work, my boss. Okay, so he was so surprised, but he just went and saw the land. It was completely clean and it was a very shocking surprise for him. And then immediately he remembered what God has told him. So he cannot leave the jinn just like that idle, right? So he gave the next work, build a beautiful palace for me. Okay, so within a day time, the jinn came back and said that your palace is ready. Such a beautiful palace he has built for the boss, like who owns him. Okay, so now he has got completely frustrated. Now he has no other work to give immediately. Okay, so he started thinking what all the small works he can keep him engaged, and he was able to give a work only for a week's time. And within a week he was unable to engage him with any work, because he just did the work instantly, whatever he says. He just goes back to the God Almighty asking him, please help me, because I have no work to give this jinn now, because he has completed all the work whatever I have given him. So now God says that I can give you only one tips. So whenever you just see the genie idle, do one thing. These tips can save your life. Okay, ask the jinn to just climb up the ladder and just get down. Okay, so whenever you see the jinn idle, then you just call him and say that just climb up the ladder and just come down. Just keep doing this activity, okay, continuously. And when you have other works to do, call him and tell him to do that. That's really a smart idea he is given. Yes, he was very happy, and he took the jinn back and he just came back home, and whenever the genie was idle, he was telling the genie to do this. Okay, but the moral of the story is, see, this jinn here is just nothing but your mind. Okay, so whenever your mind is very you cannot imagine what kind of a strength or what kind of really ability your mind possesses. Okay, it can do a self-destructive process, and it can also do a lot of work in a minute. That much of strength your brain has got, friends. Okay, when you literally don't give much works to your brain, it just kills you. It really kills you. That's what the story means basically. But what do you do when you don't have any work to do? Okay, that is when you can use this ladder technology. Okay, so what is this ladder thing? Ladder thing is nothing but just engage your mind with some good reading. Engage your mind with hearing a lot of good things around you. Take some positive things and keep doing your routines. As you might look like, it might look like not even your habit. I have no habit of reading, people might be saying. So but at this time, after you complete your work, you have a lot of time free. But during your free time, if you just rather engage yourself with an internet, because internet is very cheap these days, isn't it? So if you just keep spending your time in the internet or anything, it will surely kill you, my friends. Rather that you just spend your time doing something like reading or gardening, or do something which is very productive. Though you're doing it regularly, just do the regular activity again and again. Even it can be a regular exercise what you do, or you're cooking, anything. Just engage your mind with it so that it never goes behind any negative thoughts. Okay, so I recently saw a cartoon picture which was really funny, and also it has got a in-depth meaning in it. There was a computer picture where it was written on the top as an internet, and there was an youngster standing opposite to the computer, looking at the computer and saying that, hey, I am really using you because I am free. Okay, and it was rather written in a very big way above the computer. The computer says it in a very sarcastic way to this youngster, saying that actually I am using you because you are free. Okay, so I hope you all understand the meaning of this. Okay, when computers are, the internet is using you, friends, you are not using the internet. Please remember that. Those youngsters who are always engaged with Facebook or Instagram or any social medias, internet is using you, and it is definitely a self-destructive process. Never engage yourself with your cell phone. There are something good, but it can be in a limited way. You have to use it in a limited way. If you just use it beyond a limit, it is not you using the internet is rather using you. Please remember this, and remember this jinn story. Never leave your mind idle. Give the mind some work. Otherwise, you will feel sick physically and mentally. I hope you would have got a small message out of this. Please engage yourself doing something fruitful and something productive day to day. Enrich, empower, and emerge with English.